We are a medium-sized B2B supplier of chocolate ingredient to the industry and chocolatier with a global presence around the world. The chocolate industry is facing a severe issue of related to the poverty or even the extreme poverty of one of the stakeholders of the supply chain, the farmers. At the same time, believe it or not, it's been decades that the chocolate industry has not been allocating any significant R&D resource on developing or enhancing taste of the product we are putting on the market. This is where we identified an attractive opportunity. By working on analogy with other supply chains in the food industry, as well as in the B2B industry, we identified R&D field allowing us to create more value by developing better tasting product. Clearly, this is the best way in any sector of the food industry to increase the willingness to pay of the customer. Hence, we started to work on that, and through a process of trial and error, we ended up developing a new process and created a new business unit in our company focusing on taste enhancement R&D. One of the obstacles linked to any disruptive strategy supported by intense R&D effort is, of course, the fact that we need to finance it, and that for the board of any company, for the stakeholders, the cost of the strategy is very visible from day one, but the value creation is not. That obstacle has been overcome through intense communication, as well as the utilization of a DCF tool that convinced the board of the value creation. From there, we saw a way to address the other issue, which is the issue of the cocoa farmers living in extreme poverty. How did that happen? Very simply by deciding that the full logic of our disruptive strategy should be that not only we create value, but also that we should not capture 100% of that value, and rather share a significant part of it with the farmers via a transparent and third-party audited certification that we created and that is now recognized as one of the best certification, sustainable certification in our industry. In our business, farmers are at the origin of the creation of value, and it is only fair that the value is shared with them. In summary, we have a dual goal: create value, better tasting product, and share this value with one stakeholder, the farmers. Strong R&D, marketing and communication are required to support the strategy, and the true story behind the strategy is helping us convince our customers who are happy to come along a sustainable initiative.